Hi everybody, I hope everybody is doing very well. I don't know which state people are, but I'm in Indiana and it's really cold today. So let's get into today's video. Hi, hello. I hope everybody is doing very well. Today is very cold and I'm super excited to be here. For today, I'm just going to share with you guys one aspect of the budgeting, which is the variable expenses. And I'm going to set up my binder for 2025. I'm switching them around. Normally, I don't do this, but this year I decided to have a different binder for 2025. And I will tell you more about variable expenses, which is the same as daily expenses for me. It's the wallet that I take it everywhere I go. So today, let me show you what I have. If you guys remember when we set the budget up, we have a category for variable expenses. And this is the one I'm going to set up the binder for. And I do cut staff my variable expenses. Some people don't. They will spend on their card, but cut staff in my variable expenses has helped me a lot because when I spend the money in that envelope, that's it. At times I may go over. That's why I have miscellaneous to come in and help me when I go over in one category. But it's making me be on check how much I'm spending in my variable expenses, in my daily life, in my grocery, in my gas. Is it enough to spend? And it has really put me on track. So let's put this on the side while I bring my old one out. This is my old one that I've been using throughout the whole year. And I love these binders, to tell you the truth. This is how it look like. And when you open it up, it still have a big space here for money. When you go to the bank, they have a lot of space for cards, and a lot of envelopes can fit in here. I have about 12 of them and they fit perfectly. This particular one has a hook over here that you can hold it like a bag, a small mini bag. When you buy this binder from me, you get the chain as well for free when you buy it from me. And I still do have a few of these binder in my shop, which I'm doing sales for 30% till Christmas. So in case you want one, you are welcome. So now I'm going to change it a little bit. We're going to swap it. So I have some new envelopes here. These are my new envelopes. Okay, so I'm going to do pink and white for my new binder. And this one is my new binder. For those of you if you have watched me for a long time, I used to use this one and I switched to this. Now I'm coming back to this again. I also have this in my shop as well. And this time around, I don't think I need scissors. I will need this one for my stickers. I finally have some stickers in the shop. Yes, these stickers are very cute. I don't know if you guys can see. The light is not doing justice, but this is how it look like. It comes in 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So it comes for about, let me see how many stickers. So 3 times 14. So it's about 42 different type of stickers, and all these stickers are mostly for your variable expenses. Some may be for future because we have emergency here, we have buffer, but mostly for your variable expenses. And these are also in my shop for cheap. I think it's less than $2 because it's going for 30%. So if you want to grab one, you are welcome, and I'll show you how I'm going to use it. Like, the light is not doing justice, but I hope you guys can see that when I put it here. Can you guys see? Okay, let's go ahead and change it. So my new wallet. And this is how this one also look like. It has a zipper here for coins, a lot of space for cards. You can put your ID here, and there it is. Okay, and make sure I have everything out. Okay, and it's a silver one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my cards first, then I'll move okay, so this is my cards. I do have some coins which I'm gonna I have some coins jar here that I'm gonna put in the coins from the old wallet. I do have a lot of coins. And that's one thing I like about 𝒓𝒄𝒂𝒓𝒅𝒔, and you tend to save your coins as well. And I have a whole bunch of coins that I have wrapped them. If you've seen some of my video, which I'm going to show, one of these videos, I'm going to show how I save my coins and I wrap them, and I have to take them to the bank as well. You see, it's almost full for the jar here. And for those of you who have been trying to see if they should start 𝒓𝒂𝒂𝒓𝒅𝒔, maybe this will be a motivation for you. You tend to save a lot of coins, and that goes a long way. So that one is out. And now let's look at the categories. Let me make sure I take everything out from my old one here and put it in the new one. Okay, then the wallet to be on the side again. I do have these. Here, and it has a lot of space. Put them here. It's coming up quick, and you also have this space when you go to the bank. And I'm done with the coins. Okay, now I do have so I'm going to use my stickers, which I have it in my shop. So my first one is my personal. So for personal, we do not have personal here, but I'll go ahead and do allowance because it's the allowance for myself, and it's easy to peel it off. I thought I was going to use this, but I don't need that. Easy, very easy to peel it off, and I'm going to put it at the corner here. Then you let me make sure. Okay, so does you guys see that? Let me bring it up so that you guys can see. So this is how it look like, very minimum. So that one is my first one. My next one is blessing. I don't have blessing here because most people will have maybe gift. So I will do that one for gift. And let me see if I have any other one that I can pick. Like I said, we have a lot of them. We have all the holidays on there. So I'll do gift. Because blessing was kind of like giving it to as gift for some people when they ask you for money. Then I'll do that one here. Okay, this is how it look like. Then my next one is grocery. So we do have grocery here. Like I said, very easy to peel it off. Very, very, very easy. And that one will go over here. So grocery. My next one is gas. We do have gas. Oh, do you know what I wanted to do? I wanted to switch, like when I take white, then I'll take pink. So you see, did you guys see that? Very easy to peel it off and put it on something else. So I'm gonna do pink next. Very, very easy. I like these stickers. So here, then my next one will be grocery. Very easy to pull it off. See that? Everybody need one of these. I'm telling you, it's not too complicated. I hate being complicating stuff. So just easy. It won't come off unless you peel it off. Then I put it here. Then the next one will be for pink. So my pink one will be for gas. So let's do that. So in case you want to move them to different envelopes, is also cool. So that's gas. Okay. And the next one is Sam's Club and Costco. So I will do, which one should I do? Household, because we buy a box stuff from them, and that one will be a white envelope. Okay, I think I should take them out. Then when I'm done, I'll put them in. My next one is Flash, which is our pet. So we do have pet. So for those of you who have pet, no problem. And that will be a pink one. Okay, my next one will be a white one, and that will be for date night. We do have date night on it. Very easy to peel. See that? And you're also easy when you are peeling it from the envelopes to transfer it to a different envelope. So for those of you who are new to card stuffing, I think this will be a very cool one for you. I do have the envelopes and I do have the stickers as well. My next one is eating out. We don't have eating out, but we do have dining out. So that's that one, and that one will be pink. Okay, my next one is local store. For local store, I don't have a local store here, but what I would do, I would do shopping. So that will be a wide one. My next one will be clothing. Do I have clothing over here? Yes, we do. And that will be a pink one. Okay, my next one will be a white one. that would be my nails one. Did you guys see my new nails? I did it myself. So excited that I'm able to do it. And the stuffs were very cheap, affordable. Easy to peel it off. Okay, the next one is her. So that would be Beauty. And that will be pink. Okay, then the next one will be miscellaneous, and that will be white. And we do have miscellaneous on there. So that's this one. Okay, so that's all for the envelopes. Okay, let's go ahead and arrange them nicely. So I do have my first one, allowance. My second one is gift, which is the same as my blessing. I have my grocery. I have my gas. I have my household, which we box heavy stuff from Sam's Club or Costco. Then let me start from the back. I have miscellaneous. Beauty, which is for my hair. I have my nails. I have clothing. Shopping. Dining out. Date night. Then pet. Okay, and that's all for my daily wallet. I do have money here I want to transfer. I have $20 for my nails, $20 for my hair. So let me go ahead and put them in here for you to see. So this is how it look like. Then for the pink, this is how it look like. So is this not beautiful? That's my new wallet I'm gonna use for 2025. And you can close it in 2 steps. Isn't that beautiful? So that's my new wallet, and everything you see here you can find it in my shop. Affordable, very cheap. So if you are new to cat staff and then you want to start, you don't want to spend a lot of money, I'm your girl. You can go to my shop and get everything that you need for your wallet. And I'm loving these combinations, the pink and the white. So thanks for joining me today. I really appreciate everybody for helping me set up my variable expenses or my daily expenses for 2025. So thanks for watching me. I will see you guys in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye.